Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with McKaig Chevrolet in Gladewater, Texas, and we're standing right next to a 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. Now, this vehicle, not only does it look nice, it looks sporty, but it also gives you a pretty good feature if you're looking to put kiddos in the back. As you can tell, this one has bucket seats, so it's actually real easy to get to the back. Basically just has a cutout in the middle. But let's say if you have a car seat in here, right? So what Chevrolet has added is a handle here that if you were to have a car seat or a booster seat, of course you don't want to do this when the baby's in the car seat itself, but you pull on this handle, and what it does is that it leaves the car seat on its spot, allowing people to get in and out. Let's say if you're picking up kiddos from school, they do this on the passenger side so they can have access to this here, and then when you're done, bring this back, and then again you're able to put somebody. This feature is only available on the passenger side. You can get it on the driver's side. However, you can fold that over there different other ways. But I just wanted to tell you about this feature. I think it's actually pretty cool. I don't have kiddos in the car seat, but if you do, this would be a great vehicle to look into. Guys, come check us out in Gladewater, Texas, 903-746-4630.